Welcome to Ajayastro Mini Guru. Today, we bring you the latest updates and advanced analysis on turmeric prices, market trends, and insights into the current market conditions. Let's dive into the developments shaping turmeric prices and what to expect in the coming weeks. In Jaipur, on September 26, turmeric spot prices witnessed a notable decline of Rs 200 to 500 per quintal, despite reduced arrivals. The drop is largely attributed to sluggish buying activity, although there are signs that prices could stabilize soon. Reports of crop damage coupled with the fact that the next harvest is still 4 months away may provide some support to prices. After recovering nearly 2,000 rupees from recent lows, local traders have observed that prices are now stabilizing in a wider range. With the Nanded market remaining closed, turmeric arrivals fell to 11,645 tons, a sharp drop from the previous session's 12,000 bags. Local traders are predicting erratic arrivals as alternative markets open, but a further drop in prices could potentially trigger panic buying, which might lead to an increase in arrivals. In the futures market, turmeric prices have seen slight dips over the last few sessions, with NCDEX prices trading within a wider range. October futures saw a decline of 1.1%, while December futures dropped by 1.0%. Traders are closely monitoring weather forecasts, as there are rumors of modest rainfall in the next 2 weeks. If excessive rains materialize, the crop could suffer further damage, which may help stabilize prices. Turning to the export-import front, the latest EXIM data for July shows that turmeric exports reached 15,111 tons, marking a significant 9.2% increase year-on-year. This is the highest monthly export figure recorded in the past 3 years. On the other hand, imports also surged, rising to 2,102 tons compared to just 590 metric tons in the previous year. With strong demand anticipated in August, estimates for exports hover around 14,000 tons. Looking ahead, demand for turmeric is expected to remain robust in the coming months, which could push prices higher. Additionally, forecasts of low production in the next season are likely to make sellers cautious about releasing their stock. This combination of factors indicates potential upward pressure on prices in the near future. As of today, the NCDEX spot prices for various turmeric varieties are as follows: Nizamabad, NCDEX polished, 14,710 rupees per quintal. Nizamabad, NCDEX unpolished, 14,014 rupees per quintal. Sangli, NCDEX Rajapur, 16,112 rupees per quintal. For futures trading, turmeric contract prices are also displaying some fluctuations. October 2024 contract, 14,542 rupees per quintal, showing a fall of 164 rupees or 1.1%. The contract traded between 14,368 rupees and 14,778 rupees during the session. December 2024 contract, 14,940 rupees per quintal, down by 152 rupees or 1.0%. The contract moved in a range of 14,792 rupees to 15,122 rupees. Open interest in both contracts saw increases, with 45 metric tons added to the October contract and 120 metric tons added to the December contract. However, trading volumes decreased for both contracts. In summary, while turmeric prices have faced some downward pressure recently, the combination of strong export demand, potential crop damage, and low production forecasts could lend support to prices in the future. Traders and buyers should keep an eye on weather developments and market arrivals for further clues about price movements in the coming weeks. That's it for today's turmeric market update. Stay tuned to Ajayastro Mini Guru for more in-depth analysis and the latest market insights. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for regular updates on commodities.